shifting winds, tossing us around again. Hold tight, you're ready to begin, and just levitate. No control over where we go, but we don't care to know. Ignorance is bliss. Your tears are gone, and they drifted back from where they came, and they will not be missed. Look up and feel the shifting winds, tossing us around again. Hold tight, you're ready to begin, and just levitate.
Versus Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra versus iPhone 14 Pro Max versus Google Pixel 8 Pro versus Xiaomi 14 Pro battery test. Watch full video to understand. However, battery life is not the only factor to consider when comparing these phones. Other aspects, such as charging speed, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and battery health,